Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are removing and replacing a window motor in this 2010 Volkswagen GTI. The driver's and the passenger side is the same. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this trim piece off. Grab a flat blade plastic trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. I'm just gonna get underneath here, pry up. And then it slides forward. If any of the clips fall out, you can just push them back down. This one's going to be tightened a little bit. Just squish it with our fingers. Push it down. Next we have these two fasteners we have to take out. They're a T30. We're going to use a driver because it's easier to get in there than a socket. Loosen them up all the way, and I'm going to use a little magnet to be able to pull them out. There's another fastener under here. It's a T30 also. I'm going to take that out. Next we're going to pry this trim out, pull it back, pull it up. You can leave that right like that for right now. Next we're going to take a trim tool, pull out the door panel. There we go. We're going to pull up on the door panel, pull out, and this piece right here, you're going to pull on this little lever. It's going to pull it right out. And we're going to pull the two connections out, push down on the tab, it comes out. There's another one right here, push down on this connector and that tab, and we're going to pull this connector out. There's a tab right here. Push down on that tab and pull it out. Get the little pick in here. You're gonna pull up on that. Pulls right out. We're gonna take this wiring connector off. This goes to the door latch. Push that little tab down. It comes out, and then pull it off of that retainer. Take this off. Just use a plastic trim tool. Go all the way around. Just gonna pull it out slightly, and then in behind here, there's gonna be a cable. I want to push down on the cable. Pull it out. I'm gonna disconnect this connector right here. I'm gonna push this little tab down, and then move this purple clip past, pulls out. I'm going to pull these little red tabs up. Use a flat blade tool for this. It's like a lock. And then this little tab right here on the back side. Pull down on that tab. And then same for this one. Pull the lock up, push down on the tab and pull. And we're going to take these three Torx bits out. They're a T25. Our window is down. You want to make sure that if your window is not down, if it's up, or stuck, you want to tape the glass to it when you pull the motor out so that it does not drop. Now we're just going to lightly pull the motor out. Now we're going to reinstall our window motor. Line it up, just push it down. Take the bolts. Start one at a time. Tighten them down. I'm going to reconnect our connectors. Plug it in and push the red lock tab down. Plug this one in. Red lock tab down. And last, push this in, line it up, and then fold that lock down. Install this cover. We're going to have to slide the cable in the backside first. Once the cable's in, then you can push it in, just like so. Install this wiring harness to this clip. This goes to your door latch. If any of these are on here, when you go to put your door panel back on, you're going to want to take them off to install them to the door panel side. Like that. Install these. You're going to in that slot, just push it over. If this rubber grommet came off with this tweeter, or these little clips came off, you're gonna have to take them off and reinstall them. So put this, line these up. Push that on. Connect the door lock connector. Connect the window connector, window switch connector, the mirror switch connector, and slide it in, and then this theft deterrent connector, plug that in. To put this inner door latch cable on, you're going to line this up on the front side, and you can push down. And you're going to push down until it locks in. You want to double check, make sure it works. And give it a try, and it works. Slide the top part of the door panel on to the window channel. That's all in. I'm going to line up these clips. Down below, we're going to install our T30. And these two go in right near the arm handle. So it goes in there. Take this trim piece, and I want to slide those two right in the grooves and line it up. To perform the relearn procedure, you're going to turn the key on. We're going to hold the window switch down. Wait for 3 seconds. And we're going to pull the window switch up while holding it the whole time. and hold for 3 seconds, and then let go. And then it should work in automatic. And it does. And the same is for the passenger side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.